Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're planning in my mini size dashboard layout. I'm going to be using Wild Styled and the Muted Bloom stickers from Jessica Live Love Posh. So I thought that these pretty darker pink florals would be really pretty paired with some of the the Wild Styled stickers. So I'm not going to use any of the leopard print per se, but I am going to use some of the stickers from this sticker book. And this is going to be a fairly quick plan with me video. If you watched my dashboard layout, the classic size video from yesterday, you'll know that I'm doing voiceovers this week just because I've rearranged my office and trying to get used to the new setup in there. So I thought maybe I'd just make it easier on myself and do voiceovers, which, if we're totally honest, voiceovers are a lot more work. So kudos to any of you guys who do plan with me's and you do voiceovers, because they are twice the work in my opinion. But anyways, so we're going to just white out some of these things here, and I'm going to start with this long sidebar box over on the left, and then I think what I'm going to do here is just speed up most of this side of the video, or this side of the spread, let you guys watch it with a little bit of background music, and then I'll come back, talk a little bit, and then we'll finish on the right hand side. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Okay, so I am pretty happy with the way that this side turned out. I love the sticker that says hot mess, or hot mess, because that is what I feel like right now. So getting over the coronavirus, which by the way, I am feeling 1000% better, probably too good actually. So like I said, I rearranged my office, cleaned the whole house. I did a whole bunch of stuff on Easter Sunday. So, and I guess I was a lot sicker than I realized, even though I kind of managed, you know, to keep my videos going, and I did do a little bit of housework here and there while I was sick, but a lot of that is just a blur to me. So thank goodness I have a journal, because I actually kept up with, you know, my symptoms and how I was feeling. So I guess I can say that I am truly blessed at not having coronavirus as bad as some people have had it. So to say that I'm blessed is an understatement. So anyways, I am feeling a lot better, just trying to get adjusted to being in a new area now for filming. So anyways, I just basically started with a simple flower down here in the bottom right corner on Sunday, and now I'm going to fill in with some boxes and maybe a couple more florals. So I think I'm going to fast forward through some of this, and I will be back to chit chat in just a minute. Alright, so I am just finished putting the last little piece on this spread, and I'm pretty happy with the way that it turned out. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you'll give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider subscribing. Make sure you click the little bell on the side there and change your notification settings to all. And follow me on Instagram if you're not already following me over there. So this is it. I'll see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.